Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you the flowers that are still blooming in my garden. And all of my flowers are slowing down, but I do have some flowers in the greenhouse that are still blooming, and I wanted to show that to you. So the first flower I wanted to show you is this rose bush behind me. This is called Violet's Pride, and it is one of the week's roses. It's one of my newest roses that I bought early this year, and it has been blooming beautifully. And it is practically disease-free. I haven't had any problem with it, and I just love the way it blooms. So whenever this flower blooms, it gives me all these different shades of flowers. So it starts out like this. Look how beautiful that is. And then it becomes like this. So you could see the purplish in the middle. And then as it gets older, you can see how lighter purple it looks over here. It is just beautiful. I love this rose, and I wish I had more of this. And by the way, it is very fragrant. Look at that, just beautiful. Now this rose is named after a character in Downton Abbey, if you watch that series. Beautiful. So the next flowers that are blooming in my greenhouse right now are my begonias. I have several of them, and I wanted to start with this one right here. This is a red begonia, and this used to be more. Some of the branches in the back had fallen over because it was getting so heavy with flowers, but these are just so beautiful. Look at this. It's just beautiful. Look at that. And it's a pretty big flower, and I can see why my bush here has gotten smaller. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. So the next begonia I wanted to show you is this one right here. This is a combination of two begonias, and they're actually climbing or hanging begonias, I should say. And one of them is cream colored right here, just beautiful. Look at this, amazing. And then the other one is sort of a orange, yellow colored begonia. It's just beautiful. Here's a little more close-up of this begonia. It has so much flowers on it. A lot of my flowers, excuse me, have stopped blooming, and yet these guys are still giving me flowers. How cool is that? Beautiful. And then this is the other color. I put a couple of different kinds of begonias in here. Look at that. Beautiful. A lot of flowers on this one, and it's just pretty amazing actually how prolific this plant is. There's some more in the back right here, and then here's some more right here. Beautiful. So the next begonia I wanted to show you is this pink one right here, and there's two different kinds of begonias in this pot. One is kind of a single petal begonia, and then on the other side I have a double begonia here, a double one. It's beautiful, and I'm going to show it to you a little bit more closer. So here is the double pink. Look at this beautiful flower. And you know, the only thing I think that I wish begonias had, and maybe you know, I don't know if any of you know that if there's a fragrant begonias out there, because these do not have any fragrance at all, but they are still very beautiful. Even without fragrance, they're just worth growing. So that's the double begonia right there, and this is the single one right here. So there's just so many different kinds of begonia. Here's some more right here of the pink single petal ones. Beautiful. And then right next to it is an orange one right here. This is beautiful too. Look at that. Okay, and on this side right here, I do have some single ones that are kind of a pinkish yellow colored one. Gorgeous. And then next to it, I do have this kind of a white colored one. And right behind it is some more pink begonia right there. There's another look over here. And a whole bunch right here. Just beautiful. So the last one I wanted to show you is this one, which is another orange begonia right here. Now this one has the single one, and then it has the double one. So that's quite a unique combination there. It's beautiful. All in one plant. This two different kinds of begonia. Just beautiful. Look at that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.